Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet my channel, so I will request you to subscribe and share my channel. So today we will be doing a cleanup at home. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Cleanup is not a difficult task anymore that you can't do at home and you have to go to a salon. It's not like that. You can do this at home and very easy. And the special thing about that is you can use a natural ingredients for that. Today to do this cleanup, I am going to make a natural face scrub by using walnut and honey. For this you need bee honey, walnut and lemon. So for this face scrub I am using walnut because walnut has antioxidant and vitamin E, and it helps in removing dead skin, especially from your skin, and dirt and germ from the skin. And lemon will help you to remove the dark spots from your skin, and honey will make your skin moisture as well. That's why these three ingredients will work amazingly as a scrub. So this is a very good amazing natural scrub that you can use in this cleanup steps. I will tell you what are the main steps of cleanup. Normally, first of all, you need to clean your face properly. For that, you will need cleanser. Here, I'm going to use natural cleanser. I will show you later how to use it, and scrubbing, of course. So, we are already making this scrub for that, and to make that scrub, then face pack, then toning, moisturization. These are the steps. So to do these steps you do not have to go to a salon anymore, and it's expensive as well. So you can do at home and by using those amazing natural ingredients, and you can get the result fast. As I told you guys, I am going to use milk as a natural cleanser here. Milk will work amazingly on your skin, and it will remove all the dirts and uh, makeups and all the moisturizers, everything from your skin, and it will clean your skin properly. It's a deep cleanser. So these steps you can do daily as well. Daily morning, uh, before you wash your face, you can use this milk cleanser. It's very easy like this, and it will clean your all the makeups, dirts. Right now I don't have like makeup on my face, but still, even for removing makeup this will work amazingly. When it comes to cleanup, there is another steps that I didn't do here, that is steaming. So after cleansing you can do steaming as well. So it will help you to remove the blackheads, whiteheads easily from your skin. Right now I didn't do that because I don't have blackheads, whiteheads on my skin, and before that, because of that, I will directly moving to the other steps, scrubbing my skin. To remove blackheads and whiteheads, you can use egg white mask that I already uploaded a video regarding that. So without wasting much time, let's move to other steps, that is scrubbing my face. That will take some time because you have to massage your skin properly while doing scrubbing. And this walnut scrubs is amazing. A nice fragrance comes, and it's really good. Maybe you can't see properly how it's remove all the dirts from my skin, because my camera quality is not that much good, that because of that maybe you can't see, but trust me guys, it works amazingly. Keep this scrub on your face around 15 minutes. After that you can use warm water to remove this scrub. Using natural ingredients is really beneficial for your skin. Once you start to use it, you will like it, you will continue to use that, you will love it. As I already mentioned you guys, then the next steps is face pack. So to make this face pack I am going to use gram flour. It's very easy to make. Mix curd with gram flour and get a smooth paste for the face pack and apply on the face and keep it on for about 15 minutes, then wash it off with the water. It's very easy. As you know guys, curd is a wonderful cleanser and skin moisturizing agent. This face pack will suit to any skin type, oily skin, dry skin, normal skin, combination skin. So you can use this face pack to all skin types. So you do not have to worry about that. And the other thing is this gram flour will help you to brighten the skin and skin. It will make your skin smooth, brighten, and if you have some dark spots, acne, uh, an under eye dark circle, curd and gram flour will work amazingly, remove all these problems from your face. So doing cleanup is very important. If you can do this cleanup once a month, it will be really important. But the thing is, with a busy lifestyle, we can't go to a salon for each month, twice a month to do these things, and it's a expensive thing as well. So you can do this at home. And this is the other steps that I'm already doing here is toning my skin. For that you can use natural toner like rose water, cucumber spray. I'm going to use here rose water spray, and it's very good. And the last step is moisturizing your skin. For this you can use good brand, good moisturizer, day cream, or you can use cucumber gel or aloe vera gel. So for the last steps, I'm going to moisturize my skin. I'm going to use this Elizabeth Arden moisturizer. So this can use as a lip balm as well, and it is good for the dry skin. If you like this video, if you have learned something regarding cleanup, how to do it, and it's a very simple task, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.